Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install the Firefox browser on your computer. To get started, I'm going to open up Google Chrome and type in Download Firefox Browser and hit Enter. Now click on the first result that is titled Get Firefox for Desktop on the Mozilla website. You'll be taken to the Mozilla Firefox website. Click on the Download Firefox button. The Firefox installer will now download to your computer. Open up the installer file. You can either do that from the Downloads section of your browser or by going into the Downloads folder in your computer. Firefox will now begin to install. Once Firefox is finished installing, it will automatically open and a shortcut will be added to your desktop. You'll be taken through various Firefox settings when you first open it up. As you can see, we're asked if we want to make it our default browser, import data from our previously used browser, import browsing data, extensions, and autofill data from Google Chrome, and then if we want to personalize Firefox. For now, I'm going to just skip all of these steps. You'll now be able to use Firefox and start browsing the internet. And it's as easy as that. Downloading and installing Firefox is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.